In Christchurch, it tends to be the whole house. You know, we've got a lot of rebuilds and renovations going on from the earthquake still. So a lot of people are either while we're at it stage, you know, they might be doing a bathroom, but while we're at it, we'll do the kitchen as well.
So we know generally that homeowners think about doing a renovation for a long time before actually making a decision to act. What generally prompts them to make the move, to engage someone?
Most people think about renovating their kitchens for quite a long time before they make that first step. And it takes something like their appliance breaking down, or they're moving into a new property. Their children might be leaving home, you know, and they're downsizing and they want to create a kitchen that's more functional for them as they're getting older. There's lots of different reasons. If someone's, you know, their family's expanding, generally everything needs to expand with it. So they'll be looking for more pantry space, maybe a separate space in the kitchen where the kids can do their snacks and lunches and things like that, rather than actually being part of the main kitchen. That's always a big one. We're doing more of that sort of thing now, just sort of different zones in the kitchen for different purposes. So if someone's oven stops working and they do need to replace it, they'll be looking for an upgraded model, so something that's pyrolytic, something that could be more in an oven tower than under bench. It's a really ergonomic way to do things. A fridge is a big one. So if a fridge breaks down and your family's growing and you're going to switch from a 700 wide fridge to a bigger fridge, then that can quite often prompt a renovation of a kitchen because it won't fit. When someone's had an accident at home, whether it's been a fire or a flood or something in their kitchen, then yes, that can certainly prompt a kitchen renovation. There's a lot to think about, especially with flooding. If they might have to replace their flooring, and that is another big step towards a renovation of a kitchen. When someone buys a new home and they can see the potential for a new kitchen, it generally happens quite quickly. So they'll move in, assess the situation, think about their budget, and come to see a designer or an architect about renovating their kitchen. And they'll look at things, you know, that's more to their taste, increasing bench space, pantry space if they've got a bigger family. It's a new kitchen can refresh a whole home, and it makes a big difference. It can make people happy. That's the main thing. If you have a chance to renovate your kitchen, you certainly should. We spend a lot of time in our kitchens now. They're the hub of the home. Got our kids doing homework there. They're a very family orientated space, and you should love the space. So getting it right is essential. But yeah, it's definitely worth the investment.